Hinkley Point, currently Europe's biggest and priciest building site. Here will stand the first nuclear reactors to be built in Britain in a generation. It's taken years to get to the point where a deal is signed and work can get fully underway. Once it does, the impact on the local community will be immense, as the site becomes what will be, in effect, a small town.
This will have a huge impact locally, a positive impact on local suppliers. We've already got people supplying food here locally, bus services, from pizzas to haircuts to actual real high-level engineering. The plates for that building behind us were actually supplied by a local engineering company.
When the reactors are running at full capacity, they'll provide in the region of 7% of Britain's energy needs, British consumers paying back the initial investment in higher energy costs. By the time they go online in 10 years, though, the nuclear industry claims the price will be a much closer match.
A lot of claims have been made that it's twice the current rate, and that's true. But the current rate is actually unusually low. I think it's a good price.
The UK's backing for the project was underlined last month in China, when Britain's Finance Minister George Osborne promised to increase government guarantees to $35 billion. Building these reactors is a vast engineering project. It'll require 3 million tonnes of concrete, 250,000 tonnes of reinforcing steel on a site the size of nearly 250 football pitches. But with big projects come big problems. In France and Finland, similar projects have overrun on price and time. Here, they're promising to learn from past mistakes.
All of the issues that we've seen in Finland and France and indeed in China are all just normal engineering construction issues that will be resolved. And as I say, we won't fall into the same trap because we've got that systematic process in place to learn the lessons.
According to industry insiders, the Chinese financial muscle making Hinkley Point power station possible will also act as a trigger for a renaissance of the British nuclear power industry, with a further 8 power stations planned, some of them paid for and built by China.